Hi guys, thank you for joining us again at Car Systems Installation. So we're going to show you CompuStar newest one-button LED two-way remote, the CompuStar R5 system. This remote has up to 2-mile range and has one button. Very nice, very sleek, very small. If you have a remote that already has the key that already has buttons on it, you don't want to have something big, this is going to be very nice to have. So we have only one button here, but this one button can do the lock, unlock, and start. So if we press the button once, the vehicle will lock, and we have the confirmation here. If we tap it quickly twice, the vehicle will unlock, we have the confirmation here. Now we're going to lock the car, and we're going to show you also a nice feature that the system has. It has a proximity unlock. Basically, when you approach your vehicle without keys, without anything, the vehicle will unlock for you. So we have the vehicle unlocked for us. There's no need for us to take the key out. Now we're going to lock the vehicle back. We're going to show you the remote starter function. So for the start, you again the same button. We're going to hold it until we're going to see the key lights up. When the key lights up, the system will receive the signal, the vehicle will start. And we're going to have a confirmation on the remote that the car was actually able to start. And every few seconds, if we want to see if the car is still running, we're going to have the light flashing to remind us the car is still running. To shut the car off, we're going to hold the start button again. The vehicle will shut off. CompuStar R5 and other CompuStar devices is available at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.